In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI as your personal assistant. ClickUp. We'll set up a dedicated AI agent in ClickUp and give it clear instructions so it can handle routine work, like drafting updates, summarizing tasks, and answering questions about your projects. By the end, you'll have a reusable helper that saves time and keeps your work consistent. To start, go to ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign in to your workspace. Make sure you're in the workspace where you actually manage tasks and docs because the agent will use whatever context it can access there. If you switch between multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one so the AI focuses on the correct spaces and lists. A quick note on privacy. Only include information you're comfortable sharing and avoid sensitive details in prompts. Once you're in, open the AI area. You'll typically find an AI button in the left sidebar or along the top bar. Click it to open ClickUp's AI home. If you don't see AI, it could be related to your plan or permissions. An admin can review that later. For now, continue where AI is available and visible in your workspace. Inside the AI area, choose Create Agent. Think of an agent as your always-on helper that follows a set of standing instructions. Instead of writing a brand new prompt every time, an agent remembers its role and preferred tone, which makes it perfect for recurring tasks like weekly summaries, status updates, or structured checklists. Now type the prompt for the agent you need. Be specific about the role, the outcomes you want, and how it should respond. Define the role, like project coordinator, executive assistant, or meeting note taker. Clarify responsibilities, such as summarizing recent comments, drafting task descriptions with acceptance criteria, proposing next steps for blockers, or generating daily stand-up notes. Set expectations for style. For example, keep answers concise. Include links to reference tasks when possible. Use clear headings in paragraphs and ask clarifying questions when information is missing. Add context the agent can rely on, like which spaces or lists to prioritize and any timeframes to monitor, such as items due this week. You can also guide formatting by requesting short paragraphs, numbered steps within answers, or short executive summary up front. The clearer the instructions, the better the results. After creating the agent, validate it with a simple request, like summarizing this week's open tasks or drafting a follow-up message for a delayed item. If the output isn't quite right, refine your prompt with more context or constraints, then try again. Small adjustments, stating the audience desired length or must include details, often make a big difference. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, accessed AI, created an agent, and given it a strong prompt. Your personal assistant is now ready to help you work faster, stay organized, and keep projects moving.